welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then hello and welcome. I've got two different things to talk about. First off, we have a backdrop behind us, and second off, I look like literally cotton candy. Okay, let's just get it out of the way. I filmed my last video talking about different things that I use for my setup, so backdrop and things like that, and I decided to get back out my backdrops and kind of play with them. I don't know if I'll use these all the time, but I just thought it was something different and something fun, and this makeup kind of is crazy, but we're gonna go with it. We're gonna do a PR unboxing today, so before we get started, our schedule here on my channel is I post on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. That is when you will find new videos from me, so make sure you guys are subscribed so you do not miss out. And I think that's all we need to cover. So let's get started with this PR unboxing. The first box that we have here is from Benefit, and I am a part of their Club Pink, so I receive packages from them monthly. And I'm not gonna lie, I've already peeked in this package and I've actually used one of the items a bunch of times. So this has their new Pearl Primer inside. So it's this little bag and it has the Pearl Primer. We also have the Hoola, the regular Professional. It looks like this is a mini one. And then we have the Roller Lash. These are all of my favorite things in one little bag. Besides the Professional, I have been trying it out. I think I've tried it 3 times now, and I do like it. I'm not noticing too much of a difference between the regular Professional, which you guys know is my absolute favorite product. I use it every single day. So I do like it, but I'm not noticing too much of a difference. I do have it on today, but yeah, I got this cute little bag, and I think it's super fun that it has all of my favorite products in it because I love the Hoola, I love the Roller Lash, and I love the Professional, so it's like my little bag. I've always been so excited to do these unboxings because, as you guys know, I've been waiting for you guys to open a lot of these, so I haven't even got to play with them or even look in them and play with this stuff. So every time I'm going to film one, I get so excited because I'm like, I get to open everything. Okay, so this next package is from Josie Marin. They sent me, I believe, their new foundation. So I'm really excited. I do like their Vibrancy foundation, and they went ahead and they sent over, ooh, this is a Whipped Argan Oil Beauty Butter. So it says it's Ultra Hydrating Velvet Foundation. They sent me the shade Fair. So I'm sure that will probably match pretty well. I don't know though, because normally I'm not the fair. Oh, okay. It looks pretty dark. So this will probably match me, and the formula looks pretty cool. Let's see. Oh, it's definitely very, very whipped. And it looks like it's gonna be pretty good coverage. I'm excited to try this. So thank you so much to Josie Marin. I can't wait to try this out. And I really like the packaging too. They have the cutest packaging. The next box that we have here is from Coco and Eve. So they are a newer company, and they are actually the sister company to Sand & Sky. So you guys have probably heard of their face masks. They have that pink one that I really like. And so they sent over their Like a Virgin Super Nourishing Coconut and Fig Hair Mask. Let's smell this guy. That smells really good. I love the smell of coconut. It's absolutely one of my favorite things. And then it also has like the little detangling brushes. I love using these type of brushes. They're my absolute favorite. I am so excited to open this next one. So I opened it to see who it was from, but I didn't actually open the package. So this is from Farsali, and they sent over the Jelly Beam. I'm so excited. Okay, so I've been waiting to film this unboxing so I could play with this because I have not touched it yet. And I'm so excited. You've seen so many people talking about it, and I've wanted to try it, so I'm really excited that they sent it over. Okay, so they sent over the Jelly Beam, and then we also have in here the Rose Gold Elixir, which I love Farsali's oils. So let's see this Jelly Beam. I'm like so curious about this product. So this is the shade Glazed. I believe that's the only shade right now. I do know that they said that they are working on coming out with more shades of it. Packaging is so cute. Okay, I'm like scared to open it because I don't want to like it to spill out on me. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it really is just like a putty. I am so excited to try this. Okay, let's do a swatch because we have to. So it feels very liquidy. So let's swatch this little Jelly Beam highlight. Honestly, that's not as blinding as I thought it was going to be. It looks nice, but it doesn't look like what I thought it was going to. I feel like that can't be the real swatch. Like, I've seen some amazing swatches. Let's get a little bit more because I feel like we didn't have very much on our finger. And let's see. I'm so nervous about spilling this. Okay. Let's try this again and see if we just didn't. Okay, there we go. I knew, I was like, there's no way that's like, so it looks like it just dries down really quickly. So I think because I had it on my hand for a second, that's why it didn't really swatch as well. Because if you see, so this is like when I first applied it, and then this is like when I had it on my hand for a second, the second one here. Holy cow. You guys, I am so excited about this product. I can't wait to play with it and literally drip myself in it. And then, like I said, the other one is just their Rose Gold Elixir, which I already own and I love, so I'm excited to have another one. So this next package here is from Profusion. They always have the cutest boxes, you guys. Like, look at this, look at what it looks like inside. It's always done so nicely, and if I remember correctly, they always wrap them up in like little presents. So you always get to open them. I love Profusion. See what we have in here. Okay. Let's open them up. I'm so excited. It's like Christmas. Get to open all these presents. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so this is their Define the Brow Kit. It looks like this is like everything you would need to do your brows. So we've got like brow powders, we've got a brow brush, brow pencils. Ooh, we even got tweezers in here, stencils. So this is really cool. Let's see what else we have in here. Okay, so this one here, it looks like it's a contour. So we have a contour kit. Ooh, I really like this light contour shade. That's gonna be pretty on me. So it looks like we have a bunch of contour shades in here and then a cute little brush as well. I really love Profusion's products. You can find them at Target and they're a fairly inexpensive brand. A lot of their products are very affordable and they also go on sale a lot. Oh, okay, I'm so excited. I get to give this to one of you guys. Okay, so this is their Way to Glow set. They've actually sent me this before, and you guys, the highlights in here are insane. Every single time that I wear them, people will ask me what highlighter I have on because they're so beautiful. Okay, so let me show you guys the kit. So this is like the inside of it. It opens up, such a cute little box. I actually normally have it behind me on my shelf because it's so cute. It says like Way to Glow on the front. But inside you get their Way to Glow liquid highlight, which is really nice. And then their loose highlighting powders. You guys, these are so pigmented. And 2 different highlighting brushes. This is a set that I highly suggest. So if you guys are looking for like a loose powder that's very blinding, go to Target, pick this set up because it's amazing. And like I said, they are an inexpensive brand, so it's totally affordable. Okay, the next package we have here is from Octoly. And let's see what we got. Okay, so these are my Becca products. I'm so excited. Okay, so we have their Under Eye Brightening Corrector. So let's see. I think this is like the salmon corrector. Yes, okay. So I've seen a ton of people talking about this. So I'm really excited to try it. So it's just like a pink salmon color that you use to correct your under eyes. And then we also have in here their First Light Priming Filter. I actually saw Kathleen Lights mention this in her 2017 favorites, and I've never tried it. Ooh, the packaging. I love how it's purple. That's so fun. I'm really excited to try it. So this is a primer. So I'm gonna put a little bit out on my hand, okay, and see like what it's like. So it feels very hydrating, which is what she was saying too, is that it just kind of like feels really nice on your skin. This is over the Jelly Beam highlight, so right now it looks pretty great, but it feels like it's gonna be really hydrating, and I just love the packaging. So pretty. So thank you to Becca and Octoly for this. The next package we have here is from MAC. So let's see what this is. Okay, so this is from MAC. So this is their, ooh, you guys, we got some new Fix Plus. Okay, so this is their new Fix Plus. Let's see what we have in here. This is a really cute box, by the way. So let's open it up. This packaging is so cool. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it looks like it has just like a little rain droplets. Do you see that? Like I thought it spilled for a second, but that's like the actual packaging. That's so cool. Oh, okay, so it says to spray here. I don't want to waste my Fix Plus. Okay, so I found a spray bottle with water in it. I don't know if it'll work the same, but I'm gonna go ahead. Okay, it is working. I'm like, I don't wanna waste it. So let's see here. I'm spraying it and it's like becoming a picture. That's so cool. That's so fun. So it just turned into this photo. That's really, really cool. What a unique way to do a package. So they sent me 2 different ones. So I have the original, which looks like it actually spilled in there because mine is all wet. So I'm really excited to have another one. You guys know that my FX Plus is like my absolute favorite thing ever. And then they also sent me one of the new ones, which is the rose. So let's try this one out. It smells really nice. I'm really excited about that. I have to say that one of the things that I love about FX Plus so much is the scent of it. I know that sounds weird, but I just use it for so many different things. And one of the reasons I love it so much is for the scents. Your mist is available in 4 permanent scents. Okay, so we have original, lavender, coconut, and rose. Here that they will be available on January 11th, so they are already available. Like I said, they're gonna be permanent and they're gonna be $26. And then it also says on here they're gonna have a Tender Talk lip balm as well. And we have, it looks like 5 different shades of that, and that's gonna be $20. So yeah, I'm really excited to use the new rose one, and of course, always need a new classic one, so thank you so much to MAC. So this next package here is from Farrah Brushes. So it looks like they sent me some of their brushes. Actually haven't touched this yet. This is cute little tissue paper, so let's see what we have. Oh, okay, so we have a whole brush set holder, and let's see what we have. Okay. This is a really cute brush holder. It has like their little logo right here. Ooh, I love rose gold. Okay, so it looks like they have a white base and then they are rose gold. So let's see how soft they are. They do feel like super, super soft. I'm really excited to try these. And it looks like in here also we have one of the silicone blenders. So this is like the silicone sponge, and this is a silver glitter one. So it's like all glittery. I'm not a huge fan of these for applying my makeup. So I'll probably put that in the giveaway for you guys just because I don't feel like they work very well for me. But I'm so excited to try these brushes out. Thank you so much to Farrah Brushes. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this PR unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Thank you so much to all of the brands for these incredible packages. I can't wait to play with everything. And thank you to you guys for making this all possible. I love you so much, and I am so grateful for you guys. Please let me know what you think of this backdrop. Do you guys like it? Do you like my old drop better? Let me know in the comment section down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys very soon. Bye, everybody.